Samsung Galaxy A91. Samsung Galaxy A91 is a premium offering from the Korean tech giant that comes with a lot of flagship features. Among the specs, it offers a great processing front, a good set of cameras and ample battery capacity with fast charging support. The display is superb that offer an immersive vision. However, there is a hybrid slot. Performance redefined display and camera. Samsung Galaxy A91 flaunts a 6.7-inch tall display that gets rid of bezels, but there is a small notch on top. The display is provided with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a pixel density of 393 ppi. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass protecting the curved Super AMOLED display from scratches and marks. In terms of optics, the smartphone has 4.8MP, 1.2MP and 5MP rear camera, which has an LED flash. It can capture superb pictures with the help of a depth sensing lens, which will help to define the details of the image. At the front, there is a 3.2MP lens. Configuration and battery. Samsung Galaxy A91 is powered by flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset, which handles the overall flow of the system efficiently. There is an octa-core processor that clocks up to 2.84 GHz speed, which is assisted with the 8 GB RAM for smooth and lag-free operation. The Adreno 640 GPU handles the graphics of the system, proving amazing effects and reducing the load of the system. There is a Li-ion battery that provides ample power backup with the help of 4500 mAh capacity. The battery can be refilled using fast charging support, which is provided to reduce the time. Storage and connectivity. Samsung Galaxy A91 houses a 128 GB internal memory, which is decent to keep the files and data of the users including apps and games. It can also be expanded up to a massive 512 GB with the help of a micro SD card. For connectivity, the smartphone supports Wi-Fi 802.11 b per gram, N, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS with a GPS, GLONASS, NFC, USB Type-C, etc. Samsung Galaxy A91 price. Samsung Galaxy A91 price is expected to be $712.18, 52,990 rupees. Samsung Galaxy A91 expected to be launched on May 21, 2020. This is 8 GB RAM, 128 GB internal storage base variant of Samsung Galaxy A91, which is expected to available in black, white color. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.